Well, good morning. Here it is, the 2nd of May, Thursday, big day today. We've got exports coming out today. We've got jobs data coming out today. Yesterday, we did have a little bit of a rumor, an unsubstantiated rumor. A source that is not named says that they think that next Friday, the 10th of May, could be the day we get an announcement of a trade agreement. Now, who knows? We've been dragging this thing out for months on end, so that is something in the news. Before we get to these quotes and where the markets are, we'll mention the weather. It seems to be having a lot to do with what grain prices are doing, and possibly even new crop cotton also. There's some private weather forecasters that are saying that we could, over the next 2 weeks, have considerable rain throughout most of the Midwest, and we're talking about 3 inches to 4 inches possible, some areas, and that of course is going to be pushing back corn planting, which is already behind quite a bit, and if it's pushed back enough, we could see that those acres switch over to soybeans, and I think that's a very real possibility. That's why soybeans have struggled and corn has been holding in there well. We're also delayed on spring wheat planting, and that's why wheat has been up, and we're up again today in corn and wheat, and we're down a small amount in soybeans right now. Now we are down a small amount in cotton. We were down over 100 yesterday, firmed back up and closed down just a very small amount on the day yesterday in cotton. There have been also forecasts that we could get rain in West Texas over the next couple of weeks, and enough rain that could really help some areas as they get ready to plant. So right now we've got cotton backing off. July cotton down 40 at 76.31 with a high of 76.59, a low of 76.10. December cotton down 43 at 75.10, high of 75.43, low of 75.01. Looking over at July soybeans, down a half at 8.51 1/4, a high of 8.53 3/4, and a low of 8.48 1/2. July corn up a half at 3.69, a high of 3.69 3/4, a low of 3.68 1/2. Wheat is up 4 1/2 at 4.40 1/2 with a high of 4.41 1/2 and a low of 4.35 1/2. Now, outside markets are not doing so well. Crude oil is down 94 cents a barrel in June. Crude at 62.66. The dollar down 60. Gold down $11 an ounce, and silver is down 4 cents an ounce. Stock markets, kind of a mixed bag. Asia closed mostly higher. Europe is currently trading mostly lower, and the U.S. markets, the Dow Jones Stock Futures Index is up 11. So that's it. Today is export sales day, so join us in just a little while for export sales. We'll see you then.